Alrighty, boys and girls, hope you're ready for Chapter 2. Here's Section 1, Inductive Reasoning and Conjecture. So, inductive reasoning. This is reasoning that uses specific examples to arrive at a conclusion. And the conjecture is the concluding statement that you reach by using inductive reasoning. So first use the inductive reasoning and then come up with your conjecture. So basically with this section, you want to look for patterns or sequences and then come up with a statement, your conjecture, that you think is true based on that. Let's take a look at some examples. Okay, so if we want to write a conjecture about each pattern and then use the conjecture to find the next item in the sequence, let's take a look at this one right here. So with the movie times, we can see we're going from 8:30 to 9:45 to 11 to 12:15. So we want to try and look and see if there's any kind of discernible pattern. So when you look at this, the difference from 8:30 to 9:45, that's a difference of an hour and 15 minutes. Right here from 9:45 to 11, same thing, hour and 15. And right here, hour 15. So what we're going to do is come up with a conjecture, statement, and figure out what the next item is. So you can see we have our statement. Each show time is 1 hour and 15 minutes after the previous show time. So our prediction is the next one will be at 1:30. Here's another one to try. If the doctor visits were December, May, October, and March, what would the conjecture be? When would the next visit be? Okay, so December is the 12th month, 5th month, 10th, and 3rd. So at first it might not look like a pattern, but remember, 12 months in a year. So this is actually an increase of 5 months. This is 5 months later, and this is 5 months later. So now you should have a good idea of the statement we can make. So the next visit is always 5 months after the one before, so the next visit will be in August. Now, some of these patterns that you need to figure out, some of them are a little bit more complex than this, but this is mainly the idea for the lesson. Alright, hopefully you understood everything. See you in class.